So here we have these two 6-pack boxes of LEGO Dungeons & Dragons minifigures. Now I'm going to really quickly open these up, and crossing my fingers, I'll get a full set. Alright, so opening up the first box, there's 6 of these packs, and they use the newer cardboard packaging. Opening up the first packet, I got the female dwarf barbarian. Really cool figure, comes with some great printing, and has some mid-scale legs. And it also comes with 2 double-sided heads, so you can make it male or female. And in the next packet, I got the Arakakra Ranger. Pretty cool minifigure, reminds me of something you'd see in the old Legends of Chima sets. And then in packet number 3, I got Shaz Tam. I really like this minifigure, it has great printing all around, and the red skull is pretty cool as well. And then in the next packet, I got Strahd von Zarovich. Great printing on this one as well, looks super cool. It also comes with a little black rat. Then in packet 5, I got the Halfling Bard. And honestly, again, it's a super cool minifigure, great printing all the way around. The loot is super cool as well, and it comes with a male and female head. And then in the final packet, I got the Mind Flayer. This one's a pretty detailed minifigure as well. It also comes with a brain dog. Overall, pretty cool. No duplicates in that first box, so now we'll move on to the second box. And opening up the first packet, I was really happy to see that it was one that I hadn't gotten yet, and it's the Githyanki Warlock. Super cool minifigure. I really like the printing and accessories. Not sure why they chose yellow for the skin color though. Anyway, the next packet had another unique minifigure, which was the Dragonborn Paladin. This is definitely one of my favorites from this series. Super cool minifigure, has a cool head mold and armor, as well as some pretty cool accessories. Then on the third packet I opened, I got the Tiefling Sorcerer. It's a decent minifigure, it's nice and detailed. I do really like the baby dragon. And then next I got the Halfling Druid. Again, super detailed, pretty cool little figure, and it comes with a little bird. And then in the next packet, I got the Lady of Pain. Definitely a unique figure, and it also uses a round piece to make it look like it's floating. And in the last packet, I got Tasha the Witch Queen, which was the final character to complete the set. Again, a pretty solid minifigure, and it comes with some great accessories. Alright, so here's the first 6 minifigures that came in the first box, and then here's the 6 minifigures that came in the second box. I may have just gotten lucky with these 2 boxes to get the full set, but it would at least appear that the boxes aren't just random, and each one comes with a unique set of half of the figures. So if you want to be pretty much guaranteed to get the full set, then I'd recommend getting 3 of the boxes. Anyway though, overall, super cool set of figures, they're all super detailed, and they look great.